Oh God, welcome back to our reaction channel. My name is Boy Ray, and if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you. Over here, we react to funny clips from TikTok. So basically, all we do here is just laugh and have a good time. So here is a safe haven that if your day is not going too bright, it's not going too nice, you can hop on this YouTube channel, click on one of our videos, and you can have a good laugh because that's what we do here. Having said that, we're gonna go straight into the video, man. But before we do that, though, let me remind you guys we are on our way to 500 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe and join the family, join the gang, and let's keep growing together. On God, we're still reacting to funny animals on TikTok. So let's do this one more time before we do something else. So let's get straight into the video, man. I'm enjoying these videos, man. I hope you guys enjoy the video too, as I am. That one still looks like bricks. What the hell? It looks like a fucking thing of bricks. Yeah. Oh.
Let me get a smell. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Hi, big girl. Oh, big.
Mean. What? What is going on?
What?
No, don't do this.
Twinkle, twinkle, little dog, you look like a frog.
Hey!
Damn. Don't come close. It's my day, it's my birthday. Let me enjoy it.
Group of penguins go for a walk and hop down some stairs.
Bro, what? Bro, what? That funny as hell. I've never seen the real life. Why does this look like a young boy? He looks like a young schoolboy. He looks like a young boy chilling on the bed. That's crazy. Damn. I actually want to own a monkey, but over here it's hard to have a monkey as a pet. In Nigeria, you could, you just buy it, but here you have to be like really, really rich. This has pee-pee. Just go and smell it. He's so scared. He's scared as hell.
Witnesses were her hands.
Oh shit. When you scared the pet, it's the funniest thing ever when they are scared, bro. That's the funniest thing ever when they're scared. Not this guy again.
Look at this fat ass, giant, morbidly obese squirrel. What
Yeah, I didn't even know that was
are
a
you
squirrel.
doing?
I didn't even know that was a squirrel. He looks like a bunny. Cats be doing too much, bruh. Oh, look at his face.
Izzy, are you stuck?
He said I am. Wait. He actually said I am. Look at this one. Why is it? Are you hungry? You want to eat?
Izzy, are you stuck?
I am. Look at this, bro. Why is he speaking like that? No, shiny, but I'm not bad. Wow, he or she is singing Eminem and Rihanna. Nah, we gotta check that one again. That's wild. They probably played that song 100 billion times in that house. Damn. And he's hitting the notes.
Không, để yên không phải rồi chị.
I love you so fucking much. I'm not gonna kill you.
Wow, that's so slick. That's slick. That's so slick. What if he wakes up now? He's gonna wake up. He didn't wake up. Damn.
Hey, no barking. No barking. Hey, sit. Sit.
He's looking for a reason. Turn.
Cushy. Quiet.
Yeah. Now you see why he was barking. Yeah,
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
I think my seagull barks. Watch this.
What? What? They could do that? I didn't know they could do that. Really? Oh, you don't put
else was you can jump in?
What animal is that, bro? Yeah. Okay. Whatever animal you is.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, that looks like a granny. Looks like a granny, bruh.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yeah, nah, that's funny. Why would they- Nah, these animals are funny, bro. But these are cute. I think they're sheep, right? These are some cute sheep, though. They're fine. What was that, bro? Shit. Oh shit! Man with the goatee. He's so unbothered, bro. Wait, this one looks like a couple, and this one is just nagging, but this one is so unbothered, bro. That's crazy. I'm crying, bro. What is that? Oh man. Hey, hey, yo. Oh my god, my cheeks hurt from laughing. Oh shit, this one was funny, bro. Oh my god, I got a headache, bro. My cheek hurt from laughing. Damn, that last part was crazy. That last part took me out, bro. Oh my days, my head hurts. My head hurt. Hey, if you're at home and you're not laughing this hard, I don't know what your problem is, bro. But this shit is funny as hell. Ah, fuck, I can't even breathe, bro. Ah, damn. Nah, the last part took me out. I won't even lie. But hey, that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all, obviously, y'all enjoyed that one. I don't even gotta ask. Obviously, y'all enjoyed that one because I enjoyed that one for sure. Make sure to like the video, man. Please, 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 please like the video. Just share the video for sure. Comment on the video. I don't know whatever you want to comment on. Just put some comment in there, bro. And above all, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, let's get to 500 real quick. I'll see you guys on the other video, man. Okay. Recommend some videos some funny videos. Even if it's not funny videos, just recommend any video that would be entertaining that would be good for the channel, so we can all laugh together, have a nice time. I'll see you guys on the next video, man. I can't even talk no more. Bye guys, I'm out, bro.